Hello everyone, this is Saloni from Gaya, Bihar and welcome back to my channel. And today I am here to speak something in English. Just like this YouTube channels I have created to improve my speaking skills, English speaking skills. So as I have shared with you all, every day I come here like in front of camera and I want to improve English communication skills. So every day I keep thinking how to elaborate in English. That's why I am here today. So today is the day 11 of learning English. So I am sitting here and I am going to speak something in English. Just like if you are a learner like me, then you don't need to think anything. I know at least you can read English easily and you can listen English easily, but when it time comes to speak something in English, your mind goes blank. But what to do for that? You don't need to be worried, only you need to come in front of camera. Just like nowadays everybody has Android mobile, so we don't need to be worried. And if you don't have any mobile, then you in your house there might be one mirror, and you can come in front of mirror and you can talk with yourself. Just like I know my mother tongue is Hindi, but when I try to learn something new, like in these days I'm learning English, so it is a little difficult. But when you will practice every day, then it is not so hard for you. So most thing is in this video, you will have to be patient and you will have to confidence of yourself. Just like you don't need to be worried every day, you have to think only I have to speak English at any cost. Because if I will keep sighing every day, then your mind will not work in this platform. And I know English is not a subject, it is a just language. If we follow it, then it will improve definitely. And I am going to tell you literally, before 6 months ago, literally I was not able to speak 2 or 3 minutes in English. But nowadays, as you can see, I am speaking English and I am feeling so happy. Just like I know it takes time, but it will improve. And for a long time I have been trying to learn English every day, but sometimes I don't get too much time, so I don't do practice. But I thought, if I will not do practice every day, then how will I become a good fluent speaker? So that's why I am here. And not only for today, I have been practicing every day. Before creating this YouTube channel, i always I always wanted to speak in English in front of mirror and as well as in front of camera. So in this way I am every day improving. As you can see, when I start my first day, like a day one of learning English, as you can watch my video, that day I was so embarrassed. I was feeling so embarrassed and I was shivering like this. uh, I was thinking, what will people think about me, and what will they talk about me? Nowadays she is trying to speak English, but by ignoring all things, I thought, if I am doing good, so what is there to wrong? I am doing good and I have chosen a good platform, because English nowadays, English language is compulsory, and if you don't know English, I think so your future is not quite well, not quite good, right? And if you know English, then you can teach your kids, and you can get a good job, and you can go abroad, and you can visit everywhere and new places. So that's why I am here. And until you and if you have decided once I have to learn English, then you need to try on this platform. And I'm gonna to tell you one thing. There which city I'm living right now, there is not that is not a big city. This is also a small city, but I try to speak English every day with by myself. And I have decided, I have promised of myself, I will try, I will never give up. So in this video I am going to tell you one thing. First of all, how should I speak English? Just like everybody knows what is the verb. Verb means जो काम हम करते हैं. तो so in this way, like play, eat, go, come, these things we all know very well. But when it times come to speak like one sentences, just like I need to make sentences, मैं खाता हूँ, so that is so simple. I eat, मैं दौड़ता हूँ, I run. But when it time comes to speak by your mouth, then your mouth, it will not able to speak English, because it is not habitual. So for that, if you are also interested like me, then you can speak English, and you don't need to be worried. Only you have to switch on the camera, and you have to speak in English, and you have to only try to speak in English, just like only a small sentences. And I am going to tell you one thing as more. Just like when I was not able to understand English, that time I was not able to explain my children's, because my both children's, they read in a CBSE board a school. Then them all books are in English, but how should I teach them? So for that, I thought I need to learn English, and I will have to learn English anyhow. So I every day try to speak English, and I every day come in front of camera. And you just need to ignore all the people. Many people, they are also making fun of me, and they are backbiting about me. She is trying to speak English, but I know it will work. If you are not interested, then please just stop about kidding of anyone, right? But you don't need to worry. I will speak only one thing. You don't need to be worried. So if you all are interested to learn English, then you can follow me, and you can subscribe this channel, so that I can also see you all are you all want to watch my video to learn something through my videos. So thank you for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.